YouTube, what's going on, y'all? Quick update on the trunk. Trying to figure out if I want this amp to sink in or sit on top, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and sink it in. I want everything to be flush as far as the board, because I want straight air, go straight through. I'm trying to make a port where it go into the car, so when that air movement, instead of bouncing where it's gonna bounce, but instead of it's going in all these cracks and stuff, I'm sealing everything off the way that base can go straight back. And I'm gonna put a piece of wood across here too. So just showing y'all what I got going on right now. All these pieces right here, y'all can see they all removed. They all removable. This one right here real tight. They all removed. So just showing y'all what I got going on. So if I gotta take some stuff out, it won't be too hard, but everything is going to be wrapped. It's going to be wrapped. Everything going to be wrapped. Everything. These amps are going to go on the side, and they going to be synced in too as well. This one going to be on that side. This one going to be on this side. They're going to be synced in as well. Just trying to get a nice little custom look in the trunk. It's coming out pretty nice though. Coming out pretty nice, y'all. Not bad at all. Y'all see what I'm saying? How that board go straight back. Then I'm put another board on top. It's gonna have to be a little bit thinner than this board right here though, so it can go straight back. We ain't gonna go back too far, because what I'm gonna do right here, see that wood ends right there, come back a little bit more, about like right there. There's gonna be another piece of wood to go straight down where that base shoot up. So I'm cutting out this back deck right here. That's getting cut out. So it's about to be a lot of wood work. It's about to be a heavy trunk. But I'm about to go ahead and put the coilovers on the back, new springs, front and back. So just giving y'all an update on my joint. Got that interior up out of there. I say reworking them wires. Reworking them wires, man. I got the garage semi-clean. Now it's a little bit messy now because I done cut some wood and did my little thing in here. Alright, YouTube. Trunk update on the 86 Landau. Like, subscribe, follow, share. Try to get up to 1,000 views, y'all. Holla at me. Over and out.